training with the FBI, Department of Homeland Security. You can see another tag there by FBI. You can there see her email. We don't know when this was actually created, so when exactly, but it doesn't really matter. So Moses' brother was right all along. Part of the feds. She had to get through high-level security to become a part of that position. Was that mentioned to Moses? Did Moses understand that she went through that? Now, there's always a doubt that this could be a different person with the same exact name. Probability, likely less than 1%, simply based off the fact that that name is not an American name. You know, that name, its origin is definitely outside the continental USA, so it'd be easy to track down, probably back to Ghana. With that said, there's going to be very few who arrived over here stateside with the same first and last name. So it would be my estimation that less than 1% chance probability that is two people walking around with the same name. Okay, so there you go. You have an insinuation that she is the feds, and then you get the full name, correct name. If that's so, then this is correct. If it's not, well, then it's not, but highly coincidental. Two people with the same name, FBI, and then the guy that she's dating is suing the federal government, or suing the state, or taking things, you know, I mean, they're all working in tangent, you know, the state covers the federal covers the state. So, hacking. Let's talk about hacking. What is hacking? Hacking is breaking into. Hacking is figuring things out. Now you understand the notes. Now you understand the very detailed focus. Sometimes when you have a mentality, you have to understand this girl is African. She's not Black American, and she probably doesn't even understand how Black American women work or how they act. But we all know Black American women don't sit around taking notes. So that type of mentality is from somebody who's a foreigner, a stranger to this land, a person whose characteristics, she may be brown on the outside, and she may have some similar characteristics as a Black American female, but the inside is totally different. Okay, totally different. That laughing, that heeing, and that hawing, and all that snickering and stuff like that, that's not the culture here in America. She may be here in America, but she's not American. And what I mean by that, I'm not talking about paperwork. I'm not talking about whether she's a citizen or not, whether her family is resided in here long enough to become natural born citizen. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about she's not an American. And you know what I mean. So understand that her mind is different. This Renee Asamoah is an agent. Let that sink in. Guy goes after the federal government at the highest level of the Supreme Court, and less than a year later from the time that he's making most of his videos on, not say bragging about it, but he's bragging about it. How confident he is, how sure-minded they are, and there's nothing wrong with that. But that's what they're doing. They're bragging about it, they're boasting about it. A lot of what they were saying is, I'm not scared, we're not scared of anything. But behind the scenes, you sense this fear. They smell fear. They're constantly, talking about what could happen and protecting themselves. But, on the outside, they're standing so strong. They seem so confident. But less than a year and a half, 2 years later, he's dating a fed, an agent. Seems kind of, conflict of interest, doesn't it? Let that sink in. It only takes, 2 brain cells to figure out, I'm not going to leave no links or nothing like that. You all know how to use Google.
See, they were so worried worried about trying to make you look bad. They were so worried about trying to make you feel bad. They were so focused on destroying you, bringing you down. Everything that you already knew, they exposing themselves. All the wicked things they projected upon you, they are exposing themselves. See, people never understood you anyway, your purpose. People actually thinking that you are out here playing, that you out here not giving a damn, that you're out here not really applying pressure to not just only yourself, but to the world. People out here thinking that you done gave up, that you out here just said fuck it, that you done got strung out on drugs, you out here selling your body, you out here selling drugs, this and that, that and this, doing everything that you know that you're not doing or ever thought to do. To each his own though. But all that projection, all that negative energy, all the lies, the deceit, the disrespect, all the game stalking, all the just going various places, different, just nasty, just weird. That did not stop them. And even when you found out things that you already knew, it did not bring you down. It helped you keep going. It put a little extra boost into your life to let you know to keep going, because you're going to do and get to what's right. See, a lot of these people know what you done been through from your childhood and up. But they chose to place you on judgment because of the light that you have inside. And no, your past ain't pretty, but you're not who you used to be. And can't nobody place you in a position where you used to be when God been worked on you, been molded on you, been changed you. Not only for you once again, but for the world. You are set out here to love. You want to help. You want to grow. You want to see the community grow. You want to see the world to grow as we love and come together, as we get this ourselves, our inner right. So don't let your heart be troubled by the negative things that have been sent towards your way. Continue to do what God told you to do. You are so talented. You are so loved. You are so understanding. That's why a lot of people come against you. See?
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.